Literally the worst feeling that you can get is putting in hours of hard work into the gym, only to wake up the next day and find out that you've gained weight. Now, I've been there and I know how discouraging it is, and I know a lot of people end up quitting the gym because of that. The good news, however, is that it can only be because of one of three reasons. So if you fix all three of these things, then you will definitely start to see results. Now, the first and definitely the most common reason is that you are over-consuming calories, and I'd say about 99% of people are doing this. Now, notice here, I didn't say that you're eating a large volume of food. There's a difference between over-consuming calories and filling up your stomach. A lot of you guys are not filling up your stomach or eating a large volume of food, but the food that you guys are eating is very high in calories, and that is the reason why you cannot lose weight. And a universal fact when it comes to losing weight and getting into shape is that you cannot outtrain a bad diet. If your diet sucks, you're not going to get any results. Reason number two is that you're training hard, but you are not training smart. Now, if there's anything I've learned about maintaining a physique over the years, is that it's about training smart, not hard. Many of you guys equate working hard to losing fat, and that's not always the case. If you work out harder, yes, you will burn more fat, but it's not that much more. We gotta understand that the body works almost exactly like a car. Imagine you're driving from one city to another at 100 miles an hour versus 50 miles an hour. If you drive at 100 miles an hour, yes, you're gonna get there quicker, and yes, you're gonna burn a little bit more gas, but it's not that much more. If you drive at 50, yes, it's gonna take twice as much time, but you're gonna burn nearly the same amount of gas. And your body works exactly the same. Walking at a decent pace for 1 hour is almost the same amount of calories as a 20-minute HIIT workout. Yes, it's gonna feel like you burnt more with the HIIT workout, but in reality, you're burning the same amount of calories. It might not feel like it, but I promise you, you are. So if you're trying to work out smarter, then start walking more. Walk between your sets at the gym. Walk while you're wasting time on your phone. Literally anything you can do while walking, do it, and I guarantee you'll start to see results. And the last and final reason is that there is some sort of hormone imbalance or low testosterone. Now, this isn't a very common reason, but it does exist, and some people have this issue. Now, I have trained clients in the past, and despite doing everything right, they still can't seem to lose weight. And it turns out they had low testosterone and a hormone imbalance, which affected their metabolism. So if you're doing everything right, then what I recommend is getting some blood work done, seeing a specialist, and if there is something wrong, then they can advise you what to do. So once you fix these three things, you will definitely start to see results. So if you guys enjoyed the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.